guys, today we'll talk about how can you create free account business on your Pinterest Lite app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click on your photo down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile here. So then all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on add account here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to create a free business account, just click on create here. So then it's going to take you to this list, click here on create account. So then it's going to take you to add email address here. So then you go to next list, then fill all information, then it's going to create with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.